Very good morning to you. Game theory is a set of mathematical equations that attempts to predict how anyone playing a game would behave. And understanding game theory would give you the advantage over your opponent in any given game. Now, the game theory was invented by some mathematicians to really leverage on not the game of life, which is really in an economic playing field. So game theory is used in economics, and the components of game theory are the individual playing the game or the corporations playing the game, the set of rules within which you play the game, the strategy used, and the strategy being that whatever you do in the game will influence the other players in the game, and how you can do certain things to advance your winning in the game, and the final component being the rewards or the payoff in the game. Now, game theory can not just be used, I believe, in economics or in any game, but it also can be used in life, because in life all of us are given a set of cards, are given a certain set of circumstances, and how do we use the tools at our disposal to advance or to make the best out of life. And that is what Jesus talks about. My name is Gerard, and what I try to do in this channel is I take a passage from the Bible and try to adapt it in today's circumstances. And today Jesus talks about the sower who sows seeds, and how when we are thrown a set of cards, wherever we are thrown the seed, how can we use, in my opinion, how can we use the situation and the tools at our disposal, whatever it is, to advance our life. And let's read the passage which is taken from the book of Mark, chapter 4, verses 1 to 20. Jesus began to teach by the lakeside, but such huge crowds gathered round him that he got into a boat on the lake and sat there. The people were all along the shore and at the water's edge. He taught them many things in parables, and in the course of his teaching he said, "Listen, imagine a sower going out to sow. Now it happened that he sowed. Some of the seed fell on the edge of the path, and the birds came and ate it up. Some seed fell on rocky ground, where it found little soil and sprang up straight away, because there was no depth of earth. And when the sun came up and it was scorched, and not having any roots, it withered away. Some fell into thorns, and the thorns grew up and choked it, and it produced no crop. And some seed fell into rich soil, and growing tall and strong, produced crop, and yielded 30, 60, even 100-fold. And he said, "Listen, anyone who has ears to hear." Basically, in this passage, Jesus is saying that we have, when the farmer throws the seed has little choice. But us, we are given a brain, we are given a set of talents, and how we use our talents in any given circumstances will be advantageous to us. So let's try to understand that we are not in control of our circumstances, and we shouldn't waste our time complaining about our circumstances that we're thrown into. But let's think about how we can use any tools at our disposal to take advantage of any given circumstances that we're thrown into and make the best of life. And that is my thought for this morning. Have a good day.